So we have the controls that raise and lower your power lift bed. It actually says Euroloft on the switch here. It's a silver oval switch. We have one thing to be very aware of is there's a key for this switch. We want to put it in and turn it to its horizontal position. This allows you to kind of have control over your bed, and maybe if you want to keep kids or something from playing with it, gives you the ability to lock it out. Then it's very simple. We have two buttons. We have an up button, which I'm pushing right now. The bed will go fully to its up position and cut itself off. You don't have to let go of the button at any certain time. It's all done automatically. It's the same going to the bottom position. It will stop when it reaches its full length of travel. And that's all you need to know about the power lift bed.